Hey, 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 this is Pierre Delacote talking. Do you know that forms is becoming polls in Teams meetings? So now you just have to add not forms because it's going to be discontinued, but you add the app polls. And then when you do that, you have exactly the same thing. So you just have to add it to your meeting. And then you save this. And you're going to have some samples if you want to choose one of the samples. So basically there are three different ones. You can create a new poll here. You have multiple choice, the quiz, the word cloud. I like the word cloud. Launch now. And you can submit. Maybe I should have asked a question. Uh, so basically, choose then, and now you have a like feature. So you'll see the update, and if you like, I think you can, probably you can like it, I don't know how many times, not just once. It's the initial text plus like. So that's just using polls instead of forms, and you will have the same thing, and you can see the result directly. If you click on this little light bulb here, you'll see all the answer on the side of the Teams meeting. Hope this was helpful.